Hello, friends. Today, I'm excited to show a brand new feature that just dropped in Leonardo AI. Video generation. Yep, the same tool we love for image generation can now be used to bring your ideas to life in motion. So, what's new? Well, Leonardo just added a powerful video generation feature that lets you create shorts, animated clips, realistic videos of any sort with your text prompt. Think of it as turning your imagination into a movie scene in seconds. To access it, log into your Leonardo AI dashboard, then head over to the New Video button. You'll see the option to enter a prompt just like you would for images. But here's the cool part. There's also a toggle to upload a reference image, which helps guide the animation or video style. Now, let me show you how it works. You can decide to create your prompt from scratch, but I figured out that the best way to generate the videos is to use the reference image. So here, I'm selecting the image of my choice I would like to work with. Then use the prompt to explain the actions you want to take place in the video. So here, I want the lady in the image to pick up filth from the ground. After typing in your prompt, you hit generate. It takes about 40 seconds to 2 minutes for the generation to be complete. And boom! Here's your video clip. In my opinion, it's faster than Clean AI, but not as versatile. Now imagine using this for storyboarding, social media, or even short animated films. This is a serious game changer for creators. And that's it. Leonardo's new video generation tool is fast, fun, and full of potential. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let's create more AI magic together.